Welcome to Lesson 9, problem number 3, where we are graphing lines that are either horizontal or vertical. The reason that lines turn out to be either horizontal or vertical is if there's only a y or only an x in the equation. There's not both a y and an x. That's the clue that we have a horizontal or vertical line. So let's look at this first one, y equals 4. So what that means is that y will always have a coordinate of 4. So all we have to do is go up to where y is 4, and if you want, make a ton of points, all the points you want where y is 4. You can go all the way left and right. But then when you graph your line, you basically want all the points, I'm just going to move it up a little bit, where y is 4. So we simply have a line with a slope of 0 because when you think about it, your rise, the change in the y is 0. You don't go up or down at all. You just stay right on the line. You're moving left and right. So your run, your rise over run for slope, your run could be 1,000,000,000 or 10, but you will always do a 0 rise, which is why your slope is 0. Okay, so let's look for b, where x is equal to -3. So this is very similar, except for now we're going to go to -3 on the x-axis right there. And I could certainly take, a couple points and put x is -3. Doesn't matter where I put them. But now when I graph that line, let's make it a nice straight line there. There it is. X equals -3. So in this case, your rise could be anything. You could go up 10, but you're going to always run your 0 of your slope. Your denominator of your slope is always going to be 0 in this case. So the slope in this case would be undefined. And if you wanted to, you could certainly take a couple points on the line and find the slope, and I would guarantee you're going to be dividing by 0 in this problem, and that's why the slope is undefined. Okay, y equals 0, based on what we've already done, we already know it's just going to be the x-axis. There's the line y equals 0, and the slope for that is, of course, 0. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, see you next time.